I'm doing a roof wash and all of a sudden I lost pressure, and I come over to my pump and I see like my black wire negative is fried. So I'm not sure if this connection was loose in the beginning or if that wire is too thin, but I'm going to just try to get to a fresh piece, reconnect it, and see if I can finish this job. I cut it and it won't stretch. My good piece isn't far enough to go to that negative terminal, but check this out. Jumper cables, jumper cable to the wire. That'll work. Well, that worked. I was glad I was able to rig that up. I was able to get about another hour of spraying done, got the job done. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot now and get some bigger wire. Tell you what, it's been probably once every 3 jobs lately I've been breaking down in the field, so it's imperative that you know how to fix your own equipment. Alright, that'll do her. I'm going from what I think is a 12 to a 10 gauge. Alright, heat shrunk this one, and I'm going to braid these two and then heat shrink that. Honey, I shrunk the wire. There it is. I'm going to put some more tape on there and also that wire nut there, but I think it's good to go. Let's see. Excellent.